Hello, welcome back to the Quarshie'S channel. Thank you all our subscribers and our new subscribers. Thank you also our viewers. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do us a favor, hit the subscription button and the notification button as well, so that when we share any video, you'll be the first to know. Thank you guys once again. On we go. Yes, on we go. We are continuing our roofing, and today we had the opportunity to buy the wood for the roofing, and I'm gonna talk about the cost of wood and what kind of wood, how many wood that you need to be able to get your roofing together. So we needed 250 2x3. We needed 280 2x4, 60 2x6, 60 2x2, 20 1x10. And remember, this includes the ceiling joints as well. And this wood cost us 34,300 Ghana cedis. 34,300 Ghana cedis. Wow. Yes, guys. And one thing about this chicken farm is that somebody must be on site. So you cannot just build a coop without housing. And this is the cost for just the housing, not the coop, the housing, the wood that I just mentioned is for the housing. Indeed, it is very capital intensive. It is very capital intensive. But what can you do? This is what you've planned about, put your heart to it, and you want to do it. So definitely, you have to do everything possible to get it going. No two ways about it. And also, we purchased plywood for the ceiling. Yes, we did 102 pieces of plywood, and one is 100 Ghana cedis. 100 Ghana cedis. We also bought these door frames, very important. But today I'm really talking about the roofing wood, which is very important. That you have to get it together. Yes, get it together. Because without it, your roofing cannot be done. Yes, without it, the roofing cannot be done. And this is just the wood, the cost of the wood. So what we did was that we bought some of the wood. We bought some 9x3 and stuff, and then we took them to the sawmill to just go cut them. And I believe that was more affordable than what we intended to do. So we were able to get our target. Guys, this poultry farm stuff, it's not child play. It is not child play. When you see these guys who have 2,000, 5,000, 10,000, 20,000, 50,000, you have to respect them. And that is why they always say start small. Check how best you can afford, and then you start small and you grow as you get along, little by little, you grow with it, because it is not child's play. It is not child's play. I was thinking that, the wood was for everything, the coop, and then the workers' quarters. But guys, not knowing, no, it is just for the workers' quarters. Yes. So we have to go and buy another wood for the pen. And the estimate for the wood for the pen is also around 40,000. So just the wood for the pen and then the housing is around 7,500. I mean, 75,000. That's what it is. 75,000 Ghana cedis. Wow. And this is 100 by 40 pen and 40 by 40, residents or boys' quarters or employee quarters, how you call it. But we are excited because we get something going on. We know that we are getting closer to our dream. We are getting closer to our vision, and we just ask for the strength, to keep going. Yep, keep going, because it is very important, and you can also do it. Very, very important that when you put your heart to it, you can definitely do it. I really apologize for the videos. Sometimes it is difficult to get this video. The guy who was taking our video is not around. He's back to work. He's actually learning a trade, so he comes once a while. So I have to ask some of the workers to do that for us, and it is difficult to get it what you can really get. So you just bear with us. Yes. But the most important thing is that the work is going on. Yep, the work is going on, and we expecting to get the roofing together by next month, and then go on the concrete work and get everything straightened up. Yeah, we have to also think about ordering the beds, but we want to hold on and make sure that everything is completed, because these workers, they always have excuses, and because of that, you cannot make your decision ahead of time, because they might fail you. Yes, they might fail you. Guys, if you have watched to this time, come on now, hit the subscription button, the notification button as well, so that when we share any video, you will be the first to know. Thank you all, guys, for your encouragement. Thank you, Lord, for all that you guys have been doing. We might not be many, but the few, you can do this. You can do it. It is not easy, but you can do it. Just put your heart to it, and let's see. This is our journey, and I know everybody has a journey. Some people might not want to, but we have decided to do this, and this is it. Yeah, this is it. So we are on it as much as we can. Yeah. And I will gather all my informations together and when the building is completed so that we can give you the cost analysis on putting up this project. It's very, very important. It's very important. So thank you guys once again. Yeah, thank you. This wood has really, really surprised us because we really thought that we can make it work, and then 35,000 was enough budget for roofing wood, but now 75. That is huge. And as you can see, our area is just a virgin area. This small village called Mintakrum in the eastern region is where we are located, and our newfound home is gonna be this place. It's not far from our home. We are in the Shy Hills, Afienya area, so driving to this place, it's about an hour plus, which is not bad. Guys, that is it. Catch you guys back. Subscribe to our channel. Once again, hit the notification button and share so that somebody will be encouraged. Thank you all, and you have a blessed rest of your week. Enjoy. Bye.